Welcome to my channel, my name is Boy, and today we're gonna have a closer look, unbox, test, and review the Colbor PL8R Pocket Fuel Light. Let's jump right into it. There we go, clean. RGB fuel light, vivid colors, integrated phone clamp, flexible mounting design, tiny and portable. Let's see. Vamos ver, né? Boom, there it is. Here's the little bag. Here's the menu. There it is, the sticker. Very nice, because I assume can help to find the colors that you want. 0, 60, 120, 180, 240, 300, and 360. Very nice, that's helpful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on a sticker. There it is. Here's the light. It is tiny, fit in my hand. Could go in your pocket for sure. And then there is the diffusion. USB to USB-C charge. There it is, hot shoe. And the extension. That's it. Take this, boom, put here, and that's it. Hot shoe here on the top, very cool. On the bottom you can mount a tripod here and on the side, so that's cool. There's like an extension here for the phone if you like to shoot things on your phone. Turn on the light and you still have the ability to control the settings here with the screen. Press and hold. Colbor, clean, on. Here on the bottom, USB-C, and I assume this is the Bluetooth. Here's on, turn it off to save the battery. Cct Mode, if you press here, switch the modes HSI and the effects, go back to CCT. Here, boom, you twist, you can adjust the intensity, and on the screen you're gonna be able to see that too. 0 to 100, and then the color temperature, if you press function down, 2700K all the way to 9000K. Boom. Cct mode, that's pretty much it. If you press again HSI, here where's the sticker is gonna be handy to use, because the first one you press down, that's the color. If you see here 244 is on the purple, so there we go. Let's do all the way to 0. 100, green, yellow, 0 is gonna be red. Boom, very nice. If you press dim, boom, same thing. You're gonna control the amount, and then function, you're gonna switch to the side, and then you're gonna be able to adjust the amount of the saturation. Boom, you're gonna add white. Boom, I like 100 to be very colorful, like that. Press again, go back to the HSI to pick the color that you want. And then if you press again the power button, switch to effect mode 100%, and each effect mode is gonna have 3 options. So fire 1, 2, and 3. If you wanna switch, you just press down 3. Firework 1, 2, and 3. TV 1, 2, and 3. Bed bulb, strobe, lightning, pulsing, party, the cop car, and fuego again. Okay, so pressing again is gonna go back. I feel like it's very nice if you do like fill light, hair light, or just like to live on a corner just to light it up the scene as a practical. It's always nice, always handy to have some of this around if you wanna use on your sets. And this thing, it's not really my thing, but if you do filmmaking on your phone, that can help. Weight 182 grams, and battery life is 90 minutes, 100% brightness. Let's turn on here. Bluetooth, I'm gonna screen record so you guys can see as well. Colbor Studio. Clean, you create a scene, press the plus button, create the scene, press the plus again, wait to find the device. If it doesn't connect, turn off, turn on again, bling, is gonna show the light, and from here you're gonna be able to control everything. Boom, 100%, CCT, everything that we did on the product, we're gonna be able to do here as well, okay? If you press source type, same thing, CCT, pink and green, you have a little bit more of control of that as well. Day, tungsten, filming, a lot of different options. CCT, color, you see here if you press hue, you can control and you can see the color here as well, so that's very nice. Saturation, the same thing, remove the white or add the white. If you press the little circle here, you're gonna be able to choose the color individually, yellow, green, blue, very practical. Or you can select on the color wheel as well. Effects, same thing that we had before. We're gonna be able to achieve here. Flash, party, all these things. But here is nice because you can control the speed. So that's a plus. Clean here, if you wanna put this, put on top of your camera or on your tripod or whenever you want. This way you have a little bit more freedom with the ball head. Okay. Doesn't feel very sturdy, this thing here. There we go. It's very plasticky, but it gets the job done, I guess. Here the extension. If it's too short, you can remove. Add the extension. Ping. And bada bing bada boom. Okay. And here we have the diffusion. If you put this here. Oh, but that is the right side to put. Clean. There you go. Boom. That's it. Supposed to give a little diffusion and you still have access to the other buttons and screw and holes, and just makes, I feel like, easier to just sit like this because you have more like a flat surface. Let me put this as a little backlight. Boom. And for the last but not least, also magnetic. So if you want to put on a wall like so, you can do that too. Very, very cool. Final thoughts about this tiny light. My favorite features are very, very compact, magnetic, RGB, Bluetooth connection, USB-C. You're able to charge and use at the same time, but I tried with a different USB. Just work with the one that comes with the light, okay? Just be aware of that. Magnetic, when you put this on a wall, sometimes when I hook like this, the light will do a little, because I feel like the magnetic part is on the top or on the left side. On the other side is just the monitor. Sometimes it fixed like this, but sometimes it do that. Price for 69 bucks. Very, very nice, because in the past I had a couple of lights like this from Aperture, but wasn't very, very good. This one, so far, so good. Menu system to navigate, very, very easy, super simple. And you have a little extra phone mount here if you do some mobile filmmaking. I think that's very clever. Constructive comments, you know the little mount, they have the little ball head. It's a little bit plasticky. I wish that could be metal. And the screw, it's a little bit cheap, but it gets the job done. Just keep that in mind. That's it for me, guys. I hope they learned something today. Let me know in the comment down below what you think about this little light. Very, very portable. Leave your comment, leave your like, and subscribe if you're not already. If you want to learn a little bit more about this light, I'm gonna leave the link description down below as well. Thank you very much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.